Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cross out text in Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now press on your keyboard Shift plus tilde key double time. Now write your text. Again press on Shift plus tilde key double time. Here it is. So this is how to cross out text in Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.